Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special Brinjal Masala Curry recipe. We need only 15 minutes to make this tasty masala curry. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds. After mustard seeds spluttering, keep it low flame. Add 2 red chillies cut into halves, some curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida Powder. Mix it well. Saute it for 30 seconds. Now add 3 brinjals cut into small pieces like this. Also add 3/4 teaspoon salt. Cook on medium flame for 5 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 5 minutes, keep it low flame. We can add the masalas. Add 2 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Now add 1 cup of tamarind dissolved hot water. I have dissolved small lemon-sized tamarind in 1 cup of water. Also add 1 cup of hot water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 3 minutes on medium flame. After 3 minutes, open the lid. Now cook for 2 minutes on high flame. This time, don't close the lid. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame. Special Brinjal Masala Curry is ready. We need only 15 minutes to make this tasty Brinjal Masala Curry.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.